Welcome everyone. Welcome. And I decided not to just share it to my group members alone, but to share with also my community on YouTube. And this is a trading cheat, a trading hack. Now, just watch it, understand how it works. Now, it will really help you a lot. It will really help you a lot. Just watch it. Now we have the inverted head and shoulder, and we have the head and shoulder itself. That's the first page. And you see we have the neckline. Once the neckline is broken, trade, massive trade. The same also here, inverted head and shoulder. How to trade it? You see it, you use your trend lines, and then you use your horizontal line in order for you to trade it. So I don't intend to make this video long, yes, so that we can understand. Look at these normal patterns that we usually see. Especially the wedge. Very important. It might be confusing, but they are very, very important. So we have the reversal patterns and we have the continuation patterns. Look at how it is. The rounding top, you have the rounded bottom also. These ones are actually great chart. Great chart. Look at how they form and how it goes with them. Look at another one again. Double bottom. This one is a popular one. So that is how to trade it. Double top and double bottom. That is how to trade it. Then we have the triple bottom and triple top. That is also how to trade it by using the neckline. The break of the neckline. After the break of the neckline, you enter your trade and then you make a profit. Then lastly, we have the falling wedge. Massive one. Once you can be able to understand how to trade this falling wedge, you are good to go. Now I have a video on all these chart patterns. I have video on it in this channel. You can scroll down and check it on the channel, and it will actually change your trading career. So these are just it. Yeah, thanks so much. If you find this video interesting, subscribe to this channel and also click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video such as this. Thank you. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more information.